I tear apart these broken machines, nothing left but scrap and schemes. Digging deep through circuit boards, finding treasures they ignored. Strip it down, rip it out, that's what this is all about. Burn it down, melt it clean, acid bath, metal screen, gold and silver, copper wire, feed them to the molten fire.
Okay, this one should be a real quick one. We have a Dell 36M94. This looks like a, this is a, basically a laptop mount. Although it can work for desktops as well. But you plug your, one of these is an input, plug it in USB into this, and then you've got couple HDMI ports, a digital display port. I think that's the input for it actually. USB B, I believe it is. And then a LAN connector, some more USB A ports. So let's see what we got here. Bottom is rubberized, so it's probably holding tight some screws here. Yep. That screwdriver's not sitting down in there. It is that style. Okay, and I'm not seeing that screwdriver. It's not gonna work. Ciao. Screwdriver. Something on my wheel, I think. I'm gonna have to take a look at that thing. There's the screwdriver I was looking for. Alright, what do we got in here? Take it off this base plate. And what I can see already is we got some nice aluminum heat sinks in here. That's all loose now. Screw here. Okay, so that's plastic again. And I usually take these off, so I just pop these pins out. Two nice little aluminum heat sinks. We'll take this crap off the bottom of them, and then we'll put these into our greeblies, because these should do well with the greebly group. Tigers lost again today. So I'm a bit disappointed, but hey, that's the way college football rolls. We're just having a bad year. Plastics. Okay, so what else we got on here? BGAs. It's all BGAs, it looks like. Oh, I think my glasses are getting mad at me. But BGAs, a couple little, that looks like a rectifier chip if I'm honest. Gold pins all in here, gold pins in here. Appears like there's some gold flashing on this board, so it may be a decent board. Everything else looks like it's surface mount units for the most part. Those look like they're probably rectifiers, especially with this resin. They like to put resin near rectifiers for some reason. I don't know why exactly, but that's what they do. Oh, when I pop that off, that looks like a gold banded crystal oscillator there. If there's anything under that one. A little something there. There we go. Got all that off. So, one more up here. So that's that board. This little band of copper here, copper foil. It is copper, but it's really thin stuff, so it's hard to collect it in any meaningful way. But yeah, that's it. One capacitor here that might have some. I don't know that that's a ceramic capacitor. I think that's like a foil capacitor, so it may not have any silver content in it. But we'll take this all apart and see what we can get out of it later. Okay, that's it. Have a good one.